When it comes to enhancing the value of your home in Jennings, upgrading your door might not be the first thing that comes to mind. However, making this simple upgrade can have a significant impact on your home's curb appeal, security, and overall market value. In fact, doors are often overlooked but play a crucial role in both the aesthetic and functional appeal of your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to invest in your property's long-term value, upgrading your door can provide a great return on investment, ROI. First impressions matter. Boosting curb appeal. The front door is one of the first features potential buyers and guests notice when approaching your home. A well-maintained or upgraded door can make a powerful first impression, instantly elevating the appearance of your home. On the other hand, a dated or worn-out door can detract from your home's overall appearance, making it less inviting. Upgrading to a stylish, modern door can transform the look of your home. Whether you opt for a sleek, contemporary design or a more traditional, ornate door, the right choice can complement your home's architecture and elevate its visual appeal. A new, attractive door sets a welcoming tone, which is important for homeowners who want to present their property in the best possible light. Enhanced energy efficiency. Saving on utility bills. Another key benefit of upgrading your door is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those that have been exposed to wear and tear over time, are often less energy efficient. Gaps, cracks, and worn seals around the door can let heat escape in the winter and cool air in the summer, resulting in higher utility bills. By investing in a new, energy-efficient door, you can help reduce your energy consumption and lower heating and cooling costs. Modern doors come equipped with advanced insulation technologies, weather stripping, and double-glazed windows, all of which contribute to better temperature regulation within your home. These features can keep your home more comfortable throughout the year and reduce the strain on your HVAC system. Plus, energy efficiency is an attractive selling point for homebuyers, especially in a market where sustainability is becoming a more important consideration. Improved security. Protection for your family. The security of your home is another crucial aspect that can affect its value. Older doors may not provide the level of security needed to protect your family and belongings. A solid, durable door with a strong locking system can act as a deterrent to intruders and provide peace of mind. Upgrading to a high-quality, secure door can enhance your home's safety features. Many newer doors come with reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking systems, all of which increase your home's protection. This is a particularly appealing factor for potential buyers who are looking for a home that prioritizes safety and security. Increased home value. Return on investment. If you're considering selling your home in Jennings, upgrading your door can be a smart investment. Homebuyers are often willing to pay more for a home that has modern, functional features that enhance comfort, security, and aesthetics. A new door can be a relatively low-cost upgrade compared to other home improvements, yet it can yield a significant return when it comes time to sell. In fact, research has shown that replacing an old front door with a steel entry door can offer a return on investment of up to 65–75%. That means you could recover most, if not all, of the cost of the upgrade when you sell your home. Plus, a new door can help your home stand out in a competitive market, potentially attracting more buyers and leading to a quicker sale. Low maintenance. Long-term benefits. Newer doors are often easier to maintain than older models. Many modern doors are designed to resist weathering, fading, and wear, meaning they'll stay looking great for years with minimal upkeep. Materials like fiberglass, steel, and composite doors require little maintenance compared to wood doors, which can warp, crack, or require frequent painting. By upgrading to a door that requires less maintenance, you not only save time and money but also ensure that your home retains its value over the long term. This added durability means your home will stay in great condition for years to come, further enhancing its appeal to potential buyers. Conclusion. Upgrading your door is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase the value of your home in Jennings. Whether you're looking to boost your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, enhance security, or increase its market value, a new door can provide substantial benefits. With a wide range of styles and materials to choose from, there's a door upgrade that can perfectly complement your home's design and your personal preferences. If you're ready to make a smart investment in your home's future, upgrading your door could be the key to unlocking increased value and long-term satisfaction.